Hi everyone, my name is Jackie Izzo, and the article I chose to talk about today is "The World's Oceans Are in Danger, Major Climate Report Warns." This article was written on September 25th, 2019 by Brad Plummer. The article begins by covering the last couple decades. In the past decades, the oceans have been the buffer for global warming by absorbing the excess heat caused by man-made carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases, which humans produce from factories, driving cars, and things like that. This is putting millions of people at risk. Ecosystems and food webs are changing because causing the whole world to change. Not only are humans at risk, every single species on this planet is at risk because global warming is changing everything. The ridiculous amount of heat from the gases is turning the oceans acidic as well, and therefore they are becoming less oxygenated. The more the ocean is strained, the more problems humans, especially those living near the coast, will face. And in the article, they talk about the melting glaciers and how this will cause flooding to occur more frequently in areas that have never been once affected. This is a true effect of global warming that not everyone notices. Not even just flooding, but other things like fires or cyclones can occur in places they never have before. The water's oxygen patterns will cause fish to migrate as well, in which will hurt fish-dependent communities socially, economically, and physically. The climate change in the world right now is changing every single thing, and humans need to realize that, in which this article is solely about. In all, I feel as though I do receive a well-rounded exposure to climate change. I believe every article discusses the importance of changing our harmful habits and the carelessness of the government. However, I believe I receive a well-rounded perspective because I read from multiple sources and not just one. If you read from one source, they might be biased, so it is beneficial to read around, as it is for any other topic. Okay, I have two questions for our discussion group. What do you think will happen to the oceans as they continue to become less oxygenated? And the second one is, what kind of things can humans do to prevent climate change from further progressing? Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a good day.